ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अय्युन्
ऐवन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
अयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञामाङणम्
ञामाङणम्
जभै
जभै
घड़दश्
घड़दश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचटथ चटतौ
छटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल् अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
पुरुषाणां ऊर्ध्वा
ऋतुरषाणां ऊर्ध्वा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
तुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ज्ञामाङ्गणानां नासिका च
ञामाङ्गणानां नासिका च
एतैतो कण्ठतालु
एतैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तो गो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
धातोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
बकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानारायणं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
सु औजस् औक्षस् ताभ्यां बिस् ङेभ्यां व्यस् नसीभ्यां व्यस् यस् ओस् आम् ङी ओसुप् सु औजस् तिप्तस् जी तिप्तस्थ मिप्पस्मस् त आतां च तास् आतां द्वम् इट् महि महिं तीतः अन्ति सीतः थ मी वह मह ते आते अन्ते से आथे द्वे ये वहे महे Last class, I think we took the dhatu srij. Srij, then sprish also, same sprishati, sprishataha. Krish, krishati, or krishate, ubhayapadi. Oh, you can take shesha dhatavaha. Sixth gana, the other dhatus, you can take rich dhatu. Rich means rich gatau. Gati indriya pralaya murti bhaveshu. So gati, movement, richati, brahma nirvanam richati, that comes in Gita. So Ganesh, you can do rich dhatu, Tudadigana. Rich. Yeah.
लट् लकार ऋच्छति ऋच्छतः ऋच्छन्ति ऋच्छसि ऋच्छथः ऋच्छथ ऋच्छामि ऋच्छावः ऋच्छामः.
Yes. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
करोति
करोति
सः
सः
कुर्वन्ति
कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
करोषि
करोषि
कुरुतः
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 करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुते
कुर्वाते
कुर्वते
कुरुषे कुर्वाथे कुरुध्वे
कुरुषे कुर्वाते कुरुते
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्वे कुर्महे कुर्महे
तकाराताम् अन् सकारातं त
सकारातं
अं व म
अं वा
त आताम् अन्त
आतां
थाः आथां द्वम्
ताः आथां त्वम्
इ महि महि
महि
स्मृति जी लंग लकारा स्मृति जी.
G, I am there.
Oh, sorry, your name is, I forgot. Yeah, please do.
Yeah. Arichat, Arichatam, Arichan.
Again?
Yes, G.
Say again. I didn't hear you.
Okay, yeah. Langlakara, Arichat, Arichatam,
Is it Aruchat?
Arichati.
Think and tell me.
Oh, yeah.
Rich dhatu beginning with ach. So therefore the agama will be
Arichat. Sorry.
again. What did you say? R?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Arichat. Plus R will come.
Rich dhatu
Yeah.
doing lang lakara. So art agama will come. First you have to watch the dhatu. The beginning and the beginning and the ending both are important. So beginning is important for the agama. Ending is important for the guna or vriddhi, whatever it may happen. Ending or the ending and the penultimate, the angakarya. So we have classified that based on the ending. The ending is important. Now, rich dhatu. Rich dhatu plus takara. Okay, let me do it here. Rich dhatu plus this takara. So you get rich plus, it belongs to Sustagana, sha plus takara. So here the agama will be, art agama will be there. Okay. Now what will happen? A plus r. A plus r will be?
Is it in Tar Guna? Isn't it?
Vriddhi. It is in if it is art agama, we have seen vriddhi will happen. A plus r, not
That
guna. Not guna. You can check the sandhi chart. We have seen under the vriddhi sandhi.
Yeah,
Atascha vriddhi.
yes.
Remember that? Please take the sandhi chart. You can open the sandhi chart. I will also open here. Sandhi under vriddhi. Okay, let me share that sandhi file also. Under vriddhi sandhi you see. This is a 4.1 in our Sandhi chart. Vriddhi Sandhi number 2. When art is followed by Ajadi Dhatu.
Rikaradi dhatu.
Ajadi Dhatu. Not Rikara. This is 4 point. When art. Actually, in art is followed by, that time I wrote, but we have to modify that. Art is an agama. When the Ajadi Dhatu takes art agama, that is how we have to phrase it. When Ajadi Dhatu takes at agama, then both the Purva and Para will be replaced by the Vriddhi. Because art is an agama, it's an addition. Agama becomes the integral part of the Sthani to what it is added. So, example here, Attadhatu. Attadhatu takes art agama in Lang Lakara. Lang Lakara, instead of you get Attagama, instead of you get art agama. Okay. So, art is the agama. So, art plus the dhatu beginning with ach. So, a plus, in our context, it is r. A plus r will become r, vriddhi. Right?
Yes.
So, purva parayogosthane vriddhi adeshaga bhavati. So, a plus r. This is a plus r plus rich. So, this a is agama. Don't get confused with this upasarga. It is not upasarga. This is agama. Agama becomes the integral part of the dhatu. Whereas upasarga is not like that. Upasarga comes after here, before here. Not after, before here. Suppose some upasarga is there. It will come like this. Before atagama. Okay. So now a plus r will become r.
R.
So you get r, then archet. Form is archet.
Archit.
You can note this. Rich plus ta. Maybe this can be copied as an example for that sandhi. Artascha vriddhi. Vriddhi sandhi number 2 in your sandhi chart. Here this at is the dhatu. So don't get confused with at as an agama. At is a dhatu. Atati, to move around. So that's why another example is good. Richet. So the form will be
Archit.
archet will be the form. Okay. You can tell the form now, Damaji. Archet.
Archat. Archatam. Archan. Archaha. Archatam. Archatha. Archam. Archava. Archama.
Yes. Okay. So this is one more example added in the Sandhi chart. You can also add this as an example. It's a good example. Then the next one. Akarot, akurutam, akuruvan.
Akarot, akurutam, akurvan,
Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta.
akaroho,
Akurutam akuruta
Karavam, akurva, akurma.
karavam,
Karavam
akarma,
Akurma
Akuruta, akurvata, akurvata.
akuruta,
Kuruta
vatam,
Akurvatam
akurvata,
Akurutaha, akurvatham, akurudvam.
kurutaha,
Akurtaha
kurvatam, kurudvam,
Akurudvam
Akurvahi, akurmahi.
akurvi,
Akurvi
akurvahi,
Akurvahi
akurmahi,
Akurvahi
Asti staha santi.
अस्ति
अस्ति
स्तः
स्तः
सन्ति
सन्ति
असि स्तः स्त
असि
असि
स्तः
स्तः स्त
अस्मि स्मः स्मः
अस्मि
स्मः
स्वः स्मः
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीत्
आसीत्
आस्ताम्
आसन्
आसन्
सीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसीत्
आसी
आस्तम्
आस्तम् आस्त
आसम् आस्व आस्म
आसम्
आसम्
आस्व
आस्म
ताम् अन्तु
तु
ताम् अन्तु
तं त
तं
तं त
आनि आव आम
आनि
आव
आम
तां पिताम् अन्तां
ताम् अन्ताम्
स्व इथां ध्वं
स्वथाम् ध्वम्
ऐ आवहै आमहै
ऐ आवहै आमहै
Nutiji.
लोट् लकार रिच्छतु रिच्छतां रिच्छन्तु रिच्छ रिच्छतं रिच्छत रिच्छानि रिच्छाव रिच्छाम
करोतु कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु
करोतु कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु
कुरु कुरुतं कुरुत
कुरुतं कुरुत
करवाणि करवाव करवाम
करवाणि
करवाव करवाम
कुरुतां कुर्वातां कुर्वतां
कुरुतां कुर्वातां कुर्वतां
कुरुष्व कुर्वातां कुरुध्वम्
कुरुष्व कुर्वातां कुरुध्वम्
करवै करवावहै करवामहै
करवै
करवावहै
करवामहै
ईत् ईताम् ईयुः
तां युः
ईः ईतम् ईत
ईतं
ईयम् ईव ईम
इयम्
इव
इव इम
ईत ईयाताम् ईरन्
इयाताम् ईरन्
ईथाः ईयाथाम् ईद्वम्
इयाताम् ईध्वम्
ईय ईवहि ईमहि
वहि इमहि
कृष्णन् जी
लिंग फॉर्म रिचेत रिचेताम रिचेयुः रिचेः रिचेतम रिचेत रिचेयम रिचेव रिचेम
कुर्यात् कुर्यातां कुर्युः
कुर्यातां
कुर्युः
कुर्युः
कुर्याः कुर्यातं कुर्यात
कुर्याः
कुर्यातं
कुर्यात
कुर्यां कुर्याव कुर्याम
कुर्याम
कुर्याव
कुर्याम
कुर्वीत कुर्वीयातां कुर्वीरन्
कुर्वीत कुर्वीरन्
कुर्वीथाः कुर्वीयाथां कुर्वीद्वम्
कुर्वीथाः कुर्वीयातां कुर्वीद्वम्
कुर्वीय कुर्वीवहि कुर्वीमहि
कुर्वीय
Vahi.
Purvi
Purvi
Mahi.
Mahi.
Astu stam santu.
Astu stam santu.
Santu.
Edhi stam sta.
Edi stam sta.
Asani asava asama.
Asani.
Asani.
Asava.
Asama.
Asama.
Syat syatam syuhu.
Syat.
Syatam syuh.
Syuhu.
Syaha syatam syata.
Syaha.
Yatam
Syata.
Syam syava syama.
Syam.
Syama.
Sundari, you can do the rich dhatu, Nijanta form. Can try. Nijanta form.
Really, I have no idea of
What
Nijanta
Nijanta
is.
is?
The 10th Gana, you taught something.
Yes, 10th Gana. Like 10th Gana. Okay.
I have,
I'll help you. You can do that.
my memory is so poor. I have not revised it also properly.
Rich dhatu. Now the dhatu given. Now we are deriving the causative form of this dhatu.
Okay.
So to any dhatu, you can add the nich pratyaya to derive the causative form. Nich, generally we add to the 10th Gana dhatu, which give the meaning in keeping with the meaning of the dhatu, meaning of the kriyapadam, keeping with the meaning of the dhatu. That is tvarte nich. The same nich can be added to any dhatu, even 10th Gana also. If other than svarte, also it can mean other than svarte. Depending on the context, we have to see whether it is svarte or preranarte, causative. So nich can be added to any dhatu in any gana. Like pata dhatu, we know patayati. Pat means to read. Patati reads. Patayati, causing to read, means teaches. Kadati, kadayati. Gachyati, gamayati. Similarly, rich, what will happen to rich? So rich plus nich you have to add. Now, when you add nich, what pratyaya is nich? Anybody? Sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatukam.
Ardhadhatukam.
Why it is not sarvadhatukam?
Not
It is
shit.
not shit, not
It is not a thing.
or
Not
shit.
shit.
It's not shit also. Shakara should be there for it to be a sarvadhatukam, shakara, or it must be one of the 18 pratyas, ting pratyas. What you add to the dhatu. That's what we chanted the tup, G and all. So it is neither, therefore ardhadhatukam. Now, whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam, what will happen when you add to, before that, to what you will add? Yes. Sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam, the pratyaya, to what you will add? Dhatu. So you can add only to the dhatu. You cannot add to the pratipadikam. Right? You can add only to the dhatu. So the prakriti is dhatu. Now, when you add to the dhatu, what can happen to the dhatu?
Angakaryam.
What are the possible angakaryas?
Vriddhi or guna.
Guna or vritti?
Where guna will happen?
Upada.
Ik, when
Not only.
Ik.
In general, I'm asking, okay, not specifically to niche. Ik anta will take
if the
guna. Ik anta will
No,
take
yeah.
guna.
For
Right.
Vijanta it will be Vriddhi.
I'm asking in general, no, Vijanta will come. So, when sarvadhataka or adhataka pratyaya is added to the dhatu is the now is the anga. Now, ik anta. Ik is iurul. Ik anta will take guna. Suppose if anta Anta is ending. The end letter is not ik. And then what will happen?
We look for the penultimate letter.
Penultimate.
Upada,
That's called
yeah.
upada.
Upada.
Technical.
Ah.
Upada is, if it is
Hasva ik, it will take guna.
short ik, yes, it will take guna. Now, sarvadhataka pratyaya, suppose if it takes sarvadhataka pratyaya, it is not a pit. It is not a pit. Then will the angakarya happen?
No.
No, it will negate guna.
Sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam, whatever it may be. If it is a kit, then no angakarya will happen. When angakarya will be negated, if it is kit, kit means kakara must be there as it letter, so no angakarya will happen. If an ardhadhatuka pratyaya has got kakara as it letter, then no angakarya. Ardhadhatuka. Sarvadhatuka, if it is not a pit, then it will be deemed to be kit. Okay. Sarvadhatuka, if it is not a pit, it will deem to be kit, therefore no angakarya. So, when the sarvadhatuka, ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows the dhatu, angakarya will happen. If it is kit, it will not happen. If it is sarvadhatuka apit, it will be deemed to be kit, it will not happen. Understand this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, here it's an ardhadhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, whatever I said, it will happen. Penultimate, if it is a short ik, it will take guna. And here, in this, you have to see the nakara, murdani nakara. That is important. That has got some special effect. It can do some Dolby effect. Okay. So special effect on the anga. If the anga ends with ik letter, generally what will happen? Guna will happen. But this, because of this nit, because the pratyaya being nit, it will cause vriddhi. Number one. Among the ardhadhatuka pratyaya, if it is a nit pratyaya, then the last, the ik anta, the last ik letter, vriddhi will happen, not guna. This is special for nit. If the pratyaya has nakara as a nit letter, then vriddhi will happen. The penultimate is short ik, then same as the previous one, guna will happen. If the penultimate is short akara, then only a, short vowel a, then what will happen?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi will happen.
A will become a. These are the possible anga karyas. Now, what is the last letter of the anga? In this
Chakara.
chakara. And penultimate is
Chakara.
Chakar.
antima letter is chakara, mahaprana.
Yeah.
Penultimate is alpa prana,
Anna.
chakara. So, no angakarya possible because it is consonant, not vowel. Therefore, what will happen? Just add rich plus niche will become content of rich, niche is E.
E.
So, therefore,
Richi.
Richi. No, what is Richi?
It's a new.
It's a new
It's a
dhatu.
new. It's a new dhatu, so it
It
takes
will be treated like the first kana dhatu.
a skana.
I asked you to do the causative form. Rich plus Richi plus tip. Now, Sundar, you can do it now.
Yeah.
Richi plus.
Richiti.
No. Richi, you have to bring in the Gana Vikarana. Don't forget to bring the Gana Vikarana. It will be treated like the first Gana.
Shap. Plus.
Now you have to do the Angakarya. Because
Yeah.
Sarvadhatukam with. So Richi is the Anga for Shap. Richi plus Shap is the Anga for Tip.
Chiyati.
So what will happen now? After this will be simple. Now
Richiyati.
Shap. Huh?
Richiyati it is.
No, Shap is there. Okay. Shap
Yeah.
follows the Anga. Richi. What is the last letter here?
Ikara.
Ikara, right?
E.
What E is ik letter. So what will happen to ik? Ik followed by Sarvadhatuka Pit. So Angakarya is not negated. It will happen. If Angakarya happens, what will happen to E? E will become
The
Guna will happen.
Gunala.
Guna will happen.
Richi will become Riche. And Shap is nothing but A. Now Riche plus A. What is Riche plus A? Sandhi. Riche plus A
I.
Sandhi.
A plus A is I.
A plus A is yes. Ayadi Sandhi. So our form will be
Chayati.
Richayati. That's a form. How you can tell Richayati.
Richayati. Richayataha. Richayanti. Richayasi. Richayataha. Richayatha. Richayami. Richayavaha. Richayamaha.
Yes. Right. Now Kameshwariji.
Yes, me.
The same Richadhatu. Causative form. Lung form. What will be the lung form?
Plus rule. No, Atagama will come.
Richi, from here you have to start. Yes. Richi is the dhatu given to you now. So instead of rich dhatu, now you have the new dhatu, Richi. Okay.
Richi. So Art plus Richi. So Vriddhi will happen.
Yes.
So Archati. Archayati. Archi.
Atagama I'm just adding. Okay. Yeah.
Uh,
So it becomes Archie now. You get Archie.
yeah.
Yes. Becomes
Archi plus Ganavikarana Shap comes. So Angakarya will happen for here, Guna will happen. So E will becomes Arche. Arche plus
yeah.
Akara. So Ayadi Sandhi. So Archayati.
Not T. This is lung. Okay. I'm just changing that.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry, I'm changing here also. By
Archayat.
mistake.
Takara.
So the form will be
Archayat.
Archayat. So if once you have this Richati, Archer, then you can easily say Archer yet. Archayat. Archayata.
Yeah.
Then
Archayat, Archayatam, Archayan, Archayah, Archayatam, Archayata, Archayam, Archayava, Archayama.
now back to Ganeshji. Lot form, Nijanta will be.
Richayatu,
Yes.
Richayatam, Richayantu, Richaya, Richayatam, Richayata, Richayani, Richayava, Richayama.
Lamarji. Ling.
Richayet, Richayetam, Richayeyuhu, Richayehe, Richayetam, Richayeta, Richayeyam, Richayeva, Richayema.
Yes. Even though we know this ling and all, we need to practice. Keep saying that is why we are doing this abhyasa. Okay. Now, just tried one Nijanta, how you say. You have to practice Nijanta. Now, Sumati ji, you can read this Subhashitam.
Yeah. Chalam vittam, chalam chittam, chale jivata yauvane, chala chalamidam sarvam, kirtiyar yasya sa jivati.
First, we do the Sandhi Vicheda.
Yeah. Chittam, chalam, all those are Anuswara Sandhi, Sharanji.
Okay.
Because then chale jivat yavvane can be written
Jivita
as
Yavane.
jivita yavvane. That can be written as
Okay, nothing is there.
that. Okay. Then here also chalam idam also, that is melanam, but midam sarve, that is also anuswara sandhi. Sarvam. Then
Chala plus achala, that is one word
chala plus
actually.
achala, chala
Chala
plus,
chalam.
that is savarna dirgha sandhi.
Samasa. Chala plus achala, chala
Oh.
chalam. Okay.
So you can't do the,
Sandhi has happened in samasa because samasa, we know it is nityam, right? Samasa.
yeah.
Sankirtaika. Adeni.
But when you write it in the Subhashtam, we just take it as chala chalamidam.
Chala chalam only.
Okay. Then sarvam also, I don't think. It's just the anuswara sandhi.
Mhm.
Kirtar, yeah, there you can say kirtihi asya,
Yasya, not asya. Yasya.
kirtihi yasya. Then saha, there the visarga is dropped because visarga preceded by, for eshaha and sakara, it will be visarga is dropped because it's followed by jakara, jivati.
Followed by hal. Okay.
Hal.
What is the meaning?
Chalam vittam, chalam chittam. It is Kriya Padam is jivati.
Chalam is vittam chalam. Chalam is it's another dhatu, another pratyaya is added. Chal dhatu. Chal means what? Moves.
To go.
Goes.
Moves, yeah.
Vittam chalam is equal to, you can take it as chalati.
Okay.
Goes away. Vittam chalati. Chittam also chalati. And the jivita yavana also chalati. That also goes away. Yavana is youth.
Youth.
Life and the youth also goes away. They are transient, right?
Yeah.
Chalachalam idam sarvam. Idam referring to idam jagat. Sarvam idam. Everything here in this jagat is
Transient.
Chalachalam idam sarvam. Here chala achala is the moving and the non-moving. Chala is moving. Achala is non-moving. Chalachalam idam sarvam. Idam sarvam. Chalachalam idam referring to in this jagat. Everything is chala achalam. Moving and non-moving. So everything can be classified as moving and non-moving. So in this, everything goes away. Vittam goes away, chittam goes away, jivita yavane goes away. But what is that doesn't go away? Kirti. Kirti is the glory, the fame. The fame. Yasya kirtihi na chalati. Kirtihi na chalati. Saha jivati. He alone lives. Everything is transient. Only the kirti, the glory, the name, or fame, whatever one earned, that alone continues to survive, continues to live. Jivati. Okay.
Okay.
Shatranta, did you try the exercise?
Yeah, we just started.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ji.
Okay, we'll quickly do that. But before that, this simple exercise we can do. Next person. Who is the next person? Sumati, you can read. I think Sumati.
Yeah. Adho likitani vakyani patata. So here it is balakaha geetam shrinvan likati. Then balakaha kandukam grihanan asti.
Kandukam.
Kandukam is kandukam. Then chatraha artham janan patati. Grihaswami vastuni krinan asti.
So simple one. Shrinvan, this fifth gana. Father karma is Geetam. Listening to the song, Balaka, boy writes. Kandukam is the karma for Karah Dhatu, Grindan, ninth gana. Grasping or receiving the ball. The boy receives the ball or takes the ball. Artham Janan, knowing the meaning, Chatraha Patati, the student reads. Vastuni Krinan. Vastuni is what vibhakti?
It is 2, 3.
2, 3. Buying the objects. Grigaswami asti. It means Grigaswami buys the objects. That is the meaning. So Vastuni you have to connect with Krinan, not with asti.
Krinan.
Okay. So he is giving. You can read Avadeyam. Yes.
Yeah.
Here you don't see clearly. Avadeyam means should be known, should be noted. Yes.
Eteshu vakyeshu yani shatranta rupani santi tani visishtani santi.
They are special, Vishishtani. Because other
Purva-
Gana, that is why.
Oh, sorry. Purvam agathani patati patan likati likan gachati gachan rupani yatha saralani ethani na tata.
It says it was easy. Patati become patan, likati become likan, gachati become gachan. What about Shrunoti? Not Shrunon. It is not so easy. It's not easy, it says. But that, because it belongs to other Gana, therefore you should know the forms of the other Gana. That's some idea already I have given.
Yeah.
Shrunoti is Bhagavatanam Shrunvanti. Grinati Bhagavatanam is Grinanti.
Grignati.
So that we can take out the Shatranta, that is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana form. If it is Shrunvanti, remove Ti, you get Shrunvan. That is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana. If it is Grinanti, remove Ti, you get Grinnan.
Grignan.
This is an easy way, but anyway, you know it, you know how to derive the form also. You know how to derive, at least for 1/4 you know.
Yeah.
1/4 to derive the Shatranta Pratipadikam. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How do you derive, say, let us take a simple one. Patat Shabda from Pat Dhatu. Shatranta form of Pat.
Yeah, it will be first Attagama. At is the
Attagama. Why
content.
Attagama?
No, not Agama. At is the content of.
Okay, let me do this. Just a minute. Let me take the rich dhatu itself. Let us take rich dhatu. That is the dhatu we are dealing with. So rich dhatu. What will be the Shatranta form of rich? You can tell me. I will type. Now we are going to derive the Shatranta form of rich. Already we have seen how to derive this.
Yeah.
Rich plus what pratyaya?
It will be that will be at
No, not
Shatru. Yeah,
Shatru.
Shatru.
Oh, you are saying at.
At from Shatru.
Okay.
The content of Shatru.
I'm hearing is an at. The Murdanya Takara.
Oh, I probably my pronunciation is.
Okay. Shatra is okay. Rich plus Shatra. Then what will happen? What is Shatra now? Shatra is what pratyaya?
Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu. So what will happen?
Angakarya can happen.
No. When a Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, important thing you have to
Gana Vikarana you should bring in.
You have to bring in the Gana Vikarana.
Gana
Don't forget.
Vikarana.
That is the rule. When a Sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, like the Tinganta, Gana Vikarana will come. Tinganta is Sarvadhatuka. That is why Gana Vikarana comes. And Shatra also Sarvadhatuka. Therefore, Gana Vikarana must come. Okay, already we have seen this derivation. It's not new. So rich is the Anga for.
Yeah.
Now, will you do any Anga Karya? It is rich.
Rich, yeah, it will be it will become rich plus
Rich
rich plus
Rich plus will be
the richer.
Richer only. Because this is Sarvadhaptakam, but what? Apit.
Apit.
Therefore, Angakarya not possible. Even otherwise, Angakarya is not possible because the last letter is not ik. And the penultimate also not ik. So rich plus this sha is so richer. I'm adding that richer. Richer now, richer plus
the content of Shatru is at.
So what will happen now? Richer
it will
plus
become richet.
What sandhi is it? Why doesn't happen long? Richat.
Pararupa.
Yes. Apadanta followed
Apadanta,
by
yeah.
Richat. Now Richat Pratipadikam.
It will be, Richat is a Pratipadikam, so it will become, here you get the first one is Richan.
Richanto.
Numagama is added.
Yes. Therefore, it is easy. You know the Shatranta derivation. For 1, 4, 16 at least you know it, right? For other
Yes,
Gana,
sir.
since we have not seen, therefore we are taking the Pratama Purusha Bhagavachana let form, right? Since other Gana we have not seen, therefore we are taking the Pratama Purusha Bhagavachana of the let form. That is what he says here. Here, Eteshu, the Purvam Agatani, Patan, Likan and all very simple. Rupani, Saralani. Because it is simple. And we don't have to just remove the and know the Patan. Because we know if you're adding the Shatru Pratyaya, you get the Pratipadikam Patat and do. Whereas for other Dhatus belonging to other Ganas, since we don't know the derivation of the Lakara, the Kriyapadam, therefore we should know the Bhagavachanam. That's why he says it is not easy. So therefore, Etesham Rupanam Jnanatam Margaha Itam. This is the way you can find out the Shatranta form. Shrunoti is Ekavachanam, Shrunati is Bhagavachanam, Kriyapadam. So remove the, you get Shrunvan, that becomes Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. And from that you can infer the Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam must be
Shinvat.
Shrunvat. Please continue reading.
Yeah. So, evam bahuvachana rupasmaranat shatranta rupasya abhignanam saralam.
Yes. So Bhagavachana Rupas, just remembering the Bhagavachana form, you can easily know the Shatranta Rupam, Shatranta form. The knowledge of Shatranta form is easy, he says. So this is the method you have to adopt for the Dhatus belonging to the other Ganas. If it is 1, 4, 6, 10, you can add Shatru Pratyaya and you can derive it. But other Gana Dhatus, this is a method you have to follow. You have to know the Bhagavachana, Pratama Purusha, Latlakara, Pratama Purusha, Bhagavachana form, you need to know. Okay. Please continue.
Bahuvachana rupat ti tejyate chet Shrinvanti Shrinvan Shatrante Pullingam Ekavachanasya Rupam Prapyate.
You understand this?
Yeah.
It's very clear. Bhagavachana Rupa Ti Tyajate. From the Bhagavachana form, if you remove Ti,
remove the Ti, yeah,
then what you get in one? That will be Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana form of the Shatranta Pratipadikam. Okay, now we can continue. Read this.
Hado nirtishta kriyapadana bahuvachana rupani likitva pullinge shatranta pratama ekavachanam. Pratama ekavachana rupani likata.
Yes, Pratama Ekavachana.
Ekavachana rupa.
Continue.
Janati, Jananti. Janan is a Shatranta Rupa.
Yeah. Janati, which Gana is that?
9th Gana. You said no,
yes.
5, 9. 9.
Yes. It is our sutra.
Yeah.
No 5, 9.
9.
Good. Okay.
Then Krinati, Krinanti, Krinan. Roditi, Rudanti, Rudan.
Roditi becomes?
Rudanti.
Roditi, Rudataha, Rudanti.
Yeah. So Rudanti, it will be Rudan.
Rudan, yes.
Rudan, it will be.
Yes.
Then
Rudan.
Vishwasiti. Vishwasiti. It will be Vishwasanti. Vishwasanti is Vishwasanti. Vishwasan.
Vishwasan.
Then Chinoti. Chinvanti. Chinvan.
Chinvan.
Yeah.
Next person. Krishnanji.
Karoti, kurvanti, kurvan, shaknoti, शक्नुवन्ति शक्नुवन्
Yes.
वृणोति वृण्वन्ति
Yes. You remember this Shaknuvan, same way. Or this, what is the Shrinvan. Shrinvan you can
Shrinvan.
remember. Shrunoti, Shrinvanti. Shrunoti becomes Shrinvanti. Vrinati, Vrinanti. So this is an example for fifth Gana is Shrinoti. Shrinoti form will become Shrinvanti. Vrinati ninth Gana becomes Vrinanti. Bhagavachana. This you can remember. If you remember this, the forms you can easily say. So Vrinoti, which Gana is that?
fifth gana.
Yes, fifth Gana. No five. Okay. So Bhagavachana will be
वृण्वन्ति वृण्वन्
Vrinnan.
तनोति तन्वन्ति तन्वन्
Yes.
दोग्धि
Dogdi. What is
Dogdi.
Dogdi? That is from the Dhatu, Dukh Dhatu. Okay. Dhatu is Dukh Dhatu. Dukh becomes Dogdi. So it is peculiar. Dhatu is Dukh Dhatu. So the form will be Dukhan. Okay. The form will be Dukhanti. Bhagavachan will be Dukhanti. So this we don't know. Just to note this. Dogdi. Bhagavachana form is Dukhanti. Dukh Dhatu. Dukh means what? It is Prapurane. Second Gana. We don't know. So therefore, you can note the form. Dukhanti is Bhagavachanam. And Shatranta will be Dughan. So Dugat is a Pratipadika. Dughan, Dugantau, Dugantaha, Dugantam, Dugantau, Dugataha. Okay. Then next one.
ऋणादि
Runadhi.
ऋणद्धि
Runadhi. So this also we
Runvanti.
don't. Rudan. The form will be Rudan.
रुदन्.
This is Rud. Rud Dhatu. This also we don't know. So don't worry. Rud Dhatu. Santagana. Okay. Rudir Dhatu. So you can note the form. Rudan. Okay. For other Dhatu belonging to other Ganas. So Shatranta. For Shatranta you should know the Kriya Padam. Anyway, those things will be less only. So don't have to worry about that. But anyway, Shatranta will have the Num Agama will be there. That we have seen. 1, 4, 6, 10. And all the Ganas will have Num Agama when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows when you decline the Shatranta, excepting for the third Gana and the seven Dhatus of the second Gana. So for that only you should know which Gana the Dogdi belongs to. So Dogdi, you can, by seeing the form, you can guess. Do and Dog, something has happened. From Do, it has become Do. So you have to
Sutra we
infer.
studied, right?
Huh?
The Sutra we studied some special form for Dakaradi Dhatus.
Yes, we have studied some many Dakaradi Dhatus. Yeah, we have studied, right? We know it then. Okay. I taught you, right? Dakaradi Dhatu, and Nakara becoming Dakara and all.
Yeah, and then Dattvam.
Gatvam also, right? Dader Dhatur, not Dader, Dakara, there's, Va, Durga, Mukha, Shnuga, Shnigam, and Dader Dhatur, Gaha, and all. I think we have studied Gatva. Gatvam happening. Have you seen Gatva?
Yes, please.
Okay, fine. Anyway, the form will be Dugan. You can note. If you have difficulty, just note the form Dugan. And the 10th Gana, that's the 10th one is 7th Gana it is. The form will be Rudhan Mahaprana. Okay, he says, Avadeyam Dadati. Dadati which Gana?
First Gana?
Dadati, first Gana.
Sorry, second.
Second. No. You can see Dadati, Dadhati, Bibheti. You see the duplication of the dhatu. You see the duplication. See, dadati dhatu is da dhatu. Da means to give. Da becomes dada. That is, da is duplicated. Two das are there. Udaka, dada. So whenever you see the duplication, remember it belongs to third gana. Which gana? Third gana. Similarly, the second one, dadhati, dha, dudhanch dhatu, dharana poshna yogo, dudha. So you see the duplication becomes dadha. The Mahaprana dha, I'm talking about the second one, you can see the cursor. Dha is the dhatu. It gets duplicated. When it is duplicated, dhadha, then the alpa prana will be, the Mahaprana will become alpa prana, dadhati. Similarly, bibheti, dhatu is bhi dhatu. Bhi. Then that bhi will become bhi, alpa prana, bhi. Then that alpa prana, that e also, the long e will become e, bibheti. Anyway, I don't want to get into too much into that. It is third gana. Just you have to see the dhatu and see the connection, see the relation between the first letter and the second letter. You see the duplication.
Okay.
If it is duplicated, which gana is that? Third gana. Right?
Okay.
So if it is third gana, can it be dadan? No. We have seen dadan. It is not there. Dadan form is not there. For third gana and the seven dhatus of the second gana, there is no numagama when sarvanamastana pratyaya follows. So what will be the form? Dadat is the pratipadikam. So dakarantaha, pullingaha, marut shabdavat, dadat shabda. I hope you all remember this. You can see, I have sent you the file. In the file, it is there. Just go through this. This is the one. All the dhatus we have seen. So here you can see dhatus, dharnam, different gana dhatus. First gana, second gana, fourth gana, fifth. Everywhere you can see numakama coming. When I'm talking about the sarvanamastana pratyaya. 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 and 2 2. So all these gana takes numakama. Right? Then Shatranta Pullinga Pratipadikam derived from the dhatus of Jugotyadikana, that is third gana. And the seven dhatus of this Adadigana, that is second gana, will not take Numakama when it's Sarvanamastana Pratyas. For that we have seen the example, the same example, Dadat. This is what I'm saying, duplication you see. Da becomes Dada, Dadat, Dadat is the Pratipadikam. When you decline, Dadat, Dadatau, Dadataha, Dadatam, Dadatau, Dadataha, duplication happens. So there is no numakama here, sarvanamastana. Okay, that is what he says. Similarly, seven dhatus of the second gana. Okay, you have to remember this. Then, remembering that, if you see, therefore he says, dadan is not pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Similarly, dadan is not pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Similarly, there is no bibyan. It is only bibyat. Okay. Suppose if you say the boy who is afraid falls, how do you say in Sanskritam, Krishnanji?
Bibyat balakaha patati.
That's all. Bibyat balakaha patati, not bibyan. Right? That's what it says. You can read the example. Yata.
Yata balihi pamanaya bhumim dadat namaskatavan. Bidalaha bibyat davati.
Yes. Bibyat is qualifying.
Bidalaha.
What is the pratipadikam of bibyat?
Bibyat.
Bibyat. Pullinga or what linga?
Pullinga.
Pullinga only. Because bidalaha is pullinga. Right? Similarly, dadat also. Dadat in the previous sentence. To whom it qualifies or what it qualifies?
Balihi.
Balihi. Dadat balihi. Dadat balihi means
Giving bali.
bali. The name of the bali. The name of the person, bali. Right? The one who gives. What does he give?
Bhumim.
Bhumi is the karma for giving. To whom does he give?
Vamanaya.
Vamanaya is sampradana for giving. So Vamanaya Chaturthi Bhakti, sampradana, and Bhumi karma, which is Tritiya Bhakti. These are the karakas for the kriya, the dana kriya, not namaskirtavan. Namaskirtavan is equal to, we can understand, namaskaroti, latlakara. Balihi namaskaroti. Right? So, balihi vamanaya namaskaroti, we cannot take. Okay. Balihi bhumim namaskaroti, we cannot take. Vamanaya bhumim are the karaka for the kriya, dhatu, which is in Shatranta form here. Okay. Then these forms we know, simple forms is patat, gachat, likat. Then dadat is dadat, dadatau, dadataha. Evameva dhadat jukhvat. How do you decline jukhvat? Jukhvat ityadi ini api rupani bhavanti. Krishan, how do you do jukhvat?
Juhvat, Juhvatau, Juhvataha.
Jukhvata. It is third gana dhatu. Remember, jukhvat. First dhatu is hu dhatu. From that only you get jukhvati. Okay, so he is giving this with very simple exercise. You can quickly do. Sundarji.
Kadan.
Yes.
Kadantau, kadantaha. Pibat. So, Pibat is what we saw just now, right? Pibat.
Uh-huh.
Pibat, pibatau, pibataha.
Piban, pibanto. Why pibat?
What we saw just now is bib.
That is, bib is fear.
Bib. Okay.
Yeah, that is fear. Bibeti, third gana. Oh, okay,
Right.
I understand your confusion. Which gana is pibat? Which
Pibat.
dhatu is?
It's first gana.
First gana dhatu.
Okay. Therefore,
If it is first gana, then what will be? It will be piban, pibanto,
pibantau, pibantaha.
pibantaha only. What is the dhatu?
Pib.
Pib is not the real dhatu. Original dhatu is
Pada.
Padatu.
pa dhatu. You remember, some dhatus are given whose form will be changing when shit pratyaya follows. Like pa will become piba, ra will become jigra, and shadla will become sida, and drish will become pashya. Which gana is pashyati? What is dhatu of pashyati?
Drish.
Drish. Which gana is that? First
I
gana.
think it is first.
Drish plus shap plus ti, when you say drish followed by shap. Shap is shit pratyaya. When shit pratyaya follows drish, then drish will become pashya. The form changes. I think you need to look into that. You have to go back and see the form. These are the, I'll tell you quickly, just to make you recollect. Those are the, we say, irregular forms. Those dhatus belonging to the first gana. When shit pratyaya follows, you can see here, which is in red color, yam becomes yach. When does it happen? When a shit pratyaya follows, pa becomes pib. Pa plus shap plus tip will become, pa will become pib. Gra become jigra. Dhma become dhma. Shta becomes tha. Yes, shta, I think is there. Shta doesn't become sta. Shta will become tisht. Okay. Tha will become tisht. Tishtati, you get. Shta becomes tisht. Shta is, actually it is sta. Okay, then just a minute. Then drishir, that is drish, become pashya, da becomes yacha, r becomes rich, sr becomes dav, shadra becomes sad. These are first kana dhatus. Dhatu's form changes when a shit pratyaya follows. When a shap or any other pratyaya where a shakara is, it follows. So, therefore, the dhatu of pibat is pa dhatu, first gana. So, pibat pratipadikam given, you can decline piban, pibantau, pibantaha, right?
Yeah.
Continue.
Shrinvan, Shrinvan, Shrinvantau, Shrinvantaha. Janan, Janantau, Janantaha. Smaran, Smarantau, Smarantaha. Kridan, Kridantau, Kridantaha. Gayan, Gayantau, Gayantaha.
What is the dhatu? Gayan, Gayat, Gayat.
Uh,
Anybody?
Go.
Gai.
Gai
Dhatu.
dhatu.
Gai dhatu.
Gai.
Gai plus shap. I plus shap. I plus a. What will happen? I plus a.
Gaya.
Gai. Ayadi Sandhi. So Gai plus shap plus T becomes Ayadi Sandhi. Gayati. And instead of tip we are having Shatra. At. Gayat. Same thing. No difference in that. Continue.
Attat, Atan, Atantau, Atantaha. Stapayat, Stapayan, Stapayantau, Stapayantaha.
What does it mean Stapayan? Stapayat.
Stapayan, that is the one who is establishing.
Yes, Stapayan, the person, Stapayan, yes. What form is that Stapaya?
Nijantaha.
Causative.
Causative. Sta become Tishtati. Just now we saw the irregular forms. Tishtati, Tishtataga, Tishtanti. Causing to place becomes Stapayati. Stapayata. One Pakara also is joined.
Okay.
Just to know that much. Stapaya is causative form of Stadatu. Okay. Tishtati, Stapayati. Like Patati, Patayati, Kadati, Kadayati, Tishtati, Stapayati. Tatra, Pustakam Stapayatu. Keep the book there. That's the meaning, Stapayatu. So, Stapayan, causative form. So, Dhatu is Stapi. Causative Dhatu will be Stapi. And Stapi plus Shaptu plus Tip will come Stapaya. How Pakara comes, that is I'm not saying. Okay, that we will see later. Akara and the Dhatu will take some Puk Agama.
Puk Agama. Yeah,
Yes.
you have taught us.
Okay. I don't know what I taught. I forgot what I taught. So you have to tell me what I taught. Okay.
Therefore, I have to forget whatever I learned.
Very nice. So I can always teach them. I don't know what I taught. I don't know what you learned. So if I say did teach you, then you can very well say, no, you didn't teach me. I'm not going to look back the previous lesson and find out. Anyway, the next one, continue, Sundarji.
Tishtat, Tishtan, Tishtantau, Tishtantaha.
Yes, that is a dhatu, sta dhatu. Causative form stapaya. So both are there. Last one.
Darat, Daratau, Darataha.
Yes, no numahama here. That is what the lesson is, simple one. Okay. We will do this exercise later. We'll do the translation which he gave us the homework. It's a simple translation only. From Sanskritam to English, it's simple. From English to Sanskritam, probably you have to spend some time. But that already we have done in the class. Only few sentences. Okay. Now, I think we have to start from number 7, right? 6th one we have done. Even though knowing that this work is impossible, he accepts bribe. Have you seen the sentence?
No.
Yes.
I think the last class we saw, what is the translation for this word, for this sentence? Even though knowing that this work is impossible, he accepts bribe. Okay, anybody can translate, then we will follow the order. Yes, anybody? Sangamitra ji.
Yes, Ji.
You also try. Even though knowing that this work is impossible, he accepts bribe. The word for bribe is utkocha. We saw in the last class. I think we saw this sentence.
No,
Yeah,
we saw
given-
the
No.
issue.
Okay,
This
anyway, no problem.
word
Yep.
we saw in the
Yeah.
Shatranja book.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Utkocha.
Yadyapi will.
Yeah. Yadyapi.
Janapi will come for knowing.
First, start with accepts bribe.
Yeah,
He-
accept.
Svikaroti.
Yes.
Okay.
Kaha svikaroti. Saha
Utkocha
svikaroti.
svikaroti.
Saha kim svikaroti. Utkocham.
Utkocha.
Utkoch.
Saha utkocham svikaroti.
Okay.
Then the previous sentence, what is the kriya there? First find out the kriya. You have to assume it has two
Knowing.
sentences. Knowing. So what is the word for knowing?
Janati.
Jana.
Even though
Yadyapi
jananapi.
janan.
Jananapi, simple. Jananapi. Right? Jananapi saha utkocham prapnoti or svikaroti. Now you have to bring in other words
Karyam.
as a karaka for the janan, jada. That's nyadatu. Karyam, yeah.
Karyam.
Kartum
Shakno-
shaknuvan.
Ashaknuvan.
Karyam ashaknuvan. How can be ashaknuvan? Again, you have to
Sorry,
define.
Shaknuvati. I'm just thinking the word for Shaknu. Impossible.
Kartum na
Very
shaknuvan.
good, yes. Kameshwari, you said. Tell again.
Karyam kartum na shaknuvan. Janana.
Karyam kartum. Yes. Karyam kartum. Na. What is it?
Shaknuvan.
Yes. Karyam.
Ashaknoti.
Or simply, work is impossible. Karyam kartum na shaknuvan. You can say shaknuvan. Karyam kartum na shaknuvan. Iti jananapi.
Janati.
Saha utkocha svikaroti.
Utkocham. Not utkochaha. Utkocham. Svikaroti.
Can we say karyaha na bhavati, Sharanji?
Karyaha.
Na bhavati.
Bhavati. What is bhavati?
Like it's not going to happen.
No, karyam, not impossible.
Say asambhava, right? Sorry.
Huh? You have to tell me this full sentence. You have to tell me this full sentence and we can see.
There is the problem.
Etat akaryam iti jananapi.
Simple akaryam.
Make it akaryam.
Okay.
Karyam kartum. You said karyam kartum ashaknuvan. Jananapi. Right? Okay, it's good. Utkocham svikaroti. Simple one, akaryamiti. We are eating in so many ways, but it is given very simple.
Yeah.
Karyam kartum na shaknoti. Actually, it should be shaknoti.
Na
Karyam
shaknuvan. No.
karyam kartum na shaknoti iti jananapi. Okay. Can say like that. Shaknoti, not shaknuvan.
Okay.
Karyam kartum na shaknoti iti jananapi sahavotkocham prapnoti svikaroti. Okay. Or karyam ashakyam iti jananapi. That's called akaryam, he says. Karyam ashakyam. Ashakyam we don't know. That is yat pratyaya is added. Ashakya, ashakyaha.
Asambhavam.
Yes, asambhavam you can say. Yes.
Asambhava, asadhya might be appropriate
Yes.
because it's nothing to do with his ability. The work is impossible, say so. Asambhava, asadhya may be.
It's right. You're right. You can say
Yeah.
asambhava.
Yeah.
Karyam asambhavam. Yes. Iti jananapi saha utkocham. Yes. It's not that he is not able to do. Yes. Work is impossible.
Is there no word ashaknoti, right, Ji? No.
Huh?
Shaknoti, opposite word ashaknoti, not. It's
Na
not like
shaknoti
that.
only.
Na
That is, ashaknoti not there. We cannot do
Not there. Okay.
nanj chatpur samasa for the kriya padam.
Okay.
Na shaknoti you can say.
Okay.
Whereas Shatranta you can do opposite. Nice. Okay. Now let us continue. The next person, Kameshwari, number 7.
छात्रः पठन् निद्रां करोति. While reading, the student sleeps.
I hope you are not. Continue.
बालः क्रीडन् मोदति. बालः, the boy loves playing.
Loves modati means okay. The playing boy is happy, not the playboy.
Oh, okay.
The boy who plays. Okay.
He's happy.
The boy who plays is happy.
Okay.
See, modati is balaha modati, and the balaha is doing the action of playing. So the playing boy is happy. Modati means what? Tushyati, happy, satisfied. Modati.
Dharanjay, can we say boy enjoys while playing?
Yes, the same thing is, yes. That's what it is. The playing
But
boy
while.
enjoys means the boy enjoys while playing. Yes. You can translate like that. You can always use while, because in English also, two actions happening simultaneously while this happens, other action also happens. Yes.
सः नमन् प्रार्थयति. While saluting, he is praying.
Yes.
Next,
Continue.
अशोकः गच्छन् धेनुं पश्यति.
When a sentence is there, you have to change the order of the sentence. The words of the words in the sentence you have to change for your understanding.
Okay.
Please, that also you do it.
Yeah. While going, Ashok sees the cow.
Gachan Ashokaha Denum Pashyati.
Oh,
I want
okay.
you
Like
this.
that you are. Okay. I did understand.
Gachan
Gachan
Ashokaha.
Ashokaha Denum Pashyati.
Denu, for which Kriya it is the karma? Gam or Drish?
Drish Dhatu.
It cannot be the karma for Gam.
Yeah, Kartarkaraka.
So therefore it is not the karma for Gam Dhatu, not Gacchati. It is the karma for Pashyati.
Drish.
Pashyati. So Ashokaha Denum Pashyati. That is fine. And Shatranta is an adjective, goes to Ashoka. Gachan Ashokaha. Okay, next person, Ganeshi.
Bhaktah devam pashyan pradakshinam karoti.
We change the order of the words now and then do the translation.
Kriyapadam is karoti. Bhaktah pradakshinam karoti. Pradakshinam we can take it as
circumambulating.
Paying respect or
circumambulating pradakshinam. Prakara pradakshinam.
Circumambulation. So
yes, yeah.
So he circumambulates. So here Kriyapadam Shatranta is Pashyan. So Pashyati Pashyan. So Devam Pashyan. So while seeing the deity,
yes,
devotee circumambulates.
Yes. Continue.
Eshaha Suram Piban. Suram Piban. Lokameva Vismarati. Vismarati is the Kriyapadam. He forgets lokam. So Esha lokam eva. Eva means even the world.
Yes.
So Shatranta is Piban. Pibati Piban. So Suram liquor. So while drinking liquor, he forgets even the world.
Yes. So Suram is karma for
the Piban Kriya. Pibat.
Lokam is a karma for
Lokam Vismarati is the
Vismarati. Vismarati Kriya. Yes. Continue.
Yaha Dhavan Agachati. Agachati must.
Oh, it's mistake. Okay.
Agachati Saha Gopalaha.
Yes.
So Agachati is the Kriyapadam here. So Dhavan is Shatranta, running. I translated this as he who comes running is Gopala.
Yes, that's what it is. Yes. Dhavan agacchati saha Gopalaha.
So he who comes running is Gopal.
Can you make it into one word without using yaha saha?
Gopalaha dhavan agacchati.
That's good. Try, but another one. You have to use saha Gopalaha will remain as it is. And agacchati dhavan. Both will go shatranta.
Saha Gopalaha dhavan agachan.
No. Don't change the. Agachan is past tense.
Past tense.
Dhavan agachan saha Gopalaha asti.
Dhavan agachan
Yes.
Gopalaha saha asti.
Dhavan is saha Gopalaha. Agachan also saha Gopalaha. You can possible this also. While running and coming. Saha Gopalaha. Dhavan agachan saha Gopalaha. Right? Gopala,
right.
He runs and comes. Without using yaha and saha, I'm saying.
Right.
Okay. Continue.
Vatuhu shlokam smaran ucharanam karoti. So,
yes.
Ucharanam is the kriyapadam here. So, Vatuhu ucharanam karoti. The boy recites, I think ucharanam recites. Recites the sloka while smaran, memorizing. So, while memorizing the shloka, the boy recites it.
Yes. Vatuhu ucharanam karoti. That's all. Then smaran ucharanam karoti. Remembering, it does the ucharanam. Remembering what? Shlokam. Shlokam is a karma for smarana kriya. Next person, Ramaji. Ramaji, is there? Mike, maybe unmute. Okay.
Oh, sorry, Shanaji. I didn't notice that. Rajakaha vastram kshalayan tishtati. While washing the clothes, the washerman stands.
The washerman washes the clothes, that's all.
Washes the clothes, okay.
Tishtati stands also, you can say. Tishtati means is. Okay.
The washerman washes the clothes. Lekaha likhan eva ganam shrunoti. While writing only, the writer listens to the music.
Okay, you can rearrange the words when you do the translation.
Yes.
Likhan lekaha.
Lekaha ganam shrunoti.
Okay.
Sishuhu skalan padati.
Okay.
The child falls slipping down. Why slipping down?
Yes, skalan is, we saw the dhatu, skalati, skalataha, skalanti. It is slipping.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check the meaning again.
Can you say stumbling, Shanaji?
Yeah, stumbles and falls.
Yeah.
Skala. That's what it is. Skalate is movement, to totter. That's meaning given. Sanchalane. So skalana is in the sanchalane, gatyartaka dhatu. To totter. The tottering child falls down. Okay. Next, continue. Ramaji, last one. Next one.
Okay. Gayakau gayanto janan harshataha.
Harshayataha.
Harshayataha, sorry.
What is harshayataha?
Rejoice.
No. Harshayataha. Harshayati. Suppose if I say harshayati, let us say kriyapadam. Harshayati.
Yeah, Pratama Purusha Dvivachana.
No, I'm asking just harshayati.
Yes.
Meaning of the word, meaning of the kriyapadam. Harshayati.
Causative form.
Yes. Harshati is happy. Harshayati is causing happiness. Causing to make someone happy. So that is what is here. Harshayati Harshayata. Yes, what you said is correct. Pratama Purusha, Vivachana. So it causes happiness, causing someone to be happy, right? Harshayata, causative form. Hrishdhatu. Hrishdhatu, first gana will become Harshati, Harshataha, Harshanti. Harshati. Most of the people, they say Arsha Vidya Gurukulam, Harsha Vidya Gurukulam. It is Arsha Vidya Gurukulam. English AR is there, so make it as Harsha Vidya, Harsha Vidya. Anyway, Harsha Vidya is Harsha Vidya, that is different. So, Hrishdhatu. To be glad, to be happy. Causative form is Harshayati. Okay. Translate now.
Yeah, the two singers who are singing make the people happy.
Yes, while singing, the
While
two singers makes the people happy. Right? Gayantau, Gayakau, Janan, Harshayataha. Next person, Sumati ji.
Yeah. Kapayaha,
Yes.
Kadantaha, Utpatanti.
Yes.
So, monkey, while jumping, monkeys jump while eating. Or while eating, monkeys while eating,
way.
monkeys, while eating, monkeys jump.
Not while jumping, they.
Yeah.
The kriya may be happening, but the main kriya is utpatanti, jumps.
Yeah.
While eating, they jump. Right?
Yes.
Utpatanti is flying. It means jumping from one branch to other branch. Okay, continue.
Next one, Durjanaha Nindantaha Triptim Prapnuvanti.
You rearrange the words, please, and then translate.
Here, this is what I didn't get it actually, Sharji. Nindantaha Durjanaha Triptim Prapnuvanti.
Yes.
So, while blaming.
First, you see, take the Kriya Padam. That's why I'm saying first you rearrange the words, taking the Kriya Padam. Like Ganesh ji did correctly. The same way to be done. We have to take the Kriya Padam first and then connect the other words.
Yeah, Prapnuvanti is the main Kriya Padam.
Ke Prapnuvanti.
Durjanaha.
Durjanaha Prapnuvanti. Kim Prapnuvanti.
Triptim Prapnuvanti.
What is the translation now?
Bad people, Durjanaha, we can say bad people. Bad people
are satisfied. They get satisfaction. They get satisfaction, right?
Yeah, they obtain satisfaction.
Okay. Then Nindantaha.
So, while blaming, bad people get satisfaction.
Yes. Nindantaha Durjanaha Triptim Prapnuvanti. Okay. Then.
Can we take it as ridiculing, Charanji?
Yeah, that's what it is. Ridiculing, Nindaha, abusing.
Reviling.
Yes. Continue.
Yeah. Sarve milantaha sambhashanarambam kurvanti. So,
Kurvanti.
Kurvanti is the main Kriya Padam. So, sarve kurvanti. Sarve sambhashanam kurvanti. So, while meeting.
Sambhashana arambam. Okay.
Sambhashana arambam, kurvanti. So, while meeting, all discussion starts, is it?
Yeah. Okay.
Then Nipaha.
All discuss while meeting. While meeting, they all discuss.
Yeah, all discuss. Then Nipaha Nyayam Anusarantaha Rajaha Rakshanti. So main Kriya Padam is Rakshanti. So you can say Karta is Rakshanti. People, Praja. It should be
Prajaha Rakshanti, what will Nripaha do?
King protects the people actually.
Okay. Then Prajaha, is there the typo?
No, Praja is Srilinga, so it is Prajaha.
It is karma only.
Karma only, 2, 3.
So Nripaha Prajaha Rakshanti.
Yeah. So Nyayam Anusarantaha Nipaha Prajaha Rakshanti. So while following justice, king protects people.
Next person.
Or by following.
Yeah, it's right. While following justice.
Justice, yeah.
Next. Krishnaji, 23.
बारवाः पेटिकां वहन्तः एव पानीयं पिबन्ति क्रियापदं पिबन्ति के पिबन्ति बारवाः बारवाः पानीयं पिबन्ति so porters drink water. Okay, so petikam vahantah, so while carrying
Luggage.
porters
Petika is box.
drink. Okay,
While carrying box or luggage.
porters drink water.
Okay.
Arakshakaah sarvan.
Eva, sorry.
Yeah.
Eva is that means only while carrying.
Even when while carrying, something like that, right? Even while carrying, they drink water. So Eva, if not required, you can remove Eva. Okay. Eva doesn't have anything to do. Or while drinking, while carrying luggage, they drink only water. They don't drink coffee. Something like that.
Maybe we can say even they are carrying the.
That's what it is. Even they carry, even while carrying the box or the luggage, they drink water. Yes, Krishnaji.
आरक्षकाः सर्वान् परिशीलयन्तः अग्रे गच्छन्ति.
Yes.
अग्रे गच्छन्ति. आरक्षकाः so गच्छन्ति अग्रे गच्छन्ति.
They go forward.
Policemen go forward. सर्वान् परिशीलयन्तः.
While examining all.
Okay.
Parishilayantaha means while examining. Parishilayantaha goes with arakshakaha. Sarvan parishilayantaha arakshakaha agre gachanti. Right? Sundarji.
मार्गदर्शकाः इतिहासं वर्णयन्तः देवालयं दर्शयन्ति. इतिहासं वर्णयन्तः मार्गदर्शकाः देवालयं दर्शयन्ति.
Typo is darshayanti. Darshayanti. Ke darshayanti. The guide is.
The guides show the temple.
Yes.
As they or while they are explaining the itihasams.
While explaining the history. Yes.
History.
Yes.
Putram grinnan Ravindraha Yanam Arohati. Ravindra climbs the vehicle while holding his son.
Yeah, as he holding the son, as he holds the son, he carries Ravindra Yanam Arohati, climbs the vehicle. Okay.
Lekakaha prashastin prapnuvan gatadinani smarati. Lekakaha smarati prashastin prapnuvan lekakaha.
What does he remember?
He remembers gata dinani.
Past days.
Okay, past days. Okay. Prashastin prapnuvan. Prashastin.
Shastatu. Shams dhatu. Fame. Prashastin is prashasti.
Okay.
And decline like prashasti, like mati shabda. Prashastim prapnuvan. Prapnuvan gaining fame. He remembers the past days. I mean, prashastim, he was honored and he remembers the past days. That's the meaning. So you can translate as you like in English. While gaining the fame, maybe he remembers the
past days. Okay. Shikshakaha uttaram dadat kakshyataha gacchati.
Yes. Start with
Uttaram
Kriya.
gachati.
Gachati.
Shikshakah gachati. Shikshakah kakshyatah gachati.
What does it mean, kakshyatah?
That is to the section.
No. What is the word there? What is kakshya? Remember, kakshya is kaksha. Class.
Classroom, yeah.
Kakshyatah is from the classroom.
Oh, from the class.
So
the
when you add taha, you get apadana, panchami. Remember this. Suppose you are coming from the house. House is griha, girgataha, you can say. I come from the house, girgataha. Devalaya, devalayataha. Devalayat, you can say. Right? Devalaya is akaranta, pullingaha, like Ramashabdavat. Devalayat or devalayataha, you can say. So taha, if you add, it gives panchami. Here kakshyataha is there. Kakshyataha is fine. Otherwise, what will be the form? Panchami of kakshya shabda? Kakshayaha. Ramayaha. So panchami. So this taha is a tadita, pratyaya. Taha when you add, you get the meaning of from. Okay. America taha, from the America. Bharata Deshataha, from the Bharat Desha. Right? Always you can say taha. Vidyalayataha, from the school. Okay. So kakshataha. Now shiksha, the teacher comes, goes kakshataha gachati. From the class, he goes.
The teacher goes from the class as he provides the response or answer. As he gives the answer.
Uttaram dadat. So dadat is, it is
Dadat
third gana.
Dadat.
Yeah, third gana, therefore there is no numahama. Dadat. Okay.
Saha.
Next person.
Dandat. Okay.
Kameshwari, 29.
Yeah. Sah dandanayakat bibyat pratigachati.
Dandanayakat panchami. Can you make it into like the previous sentence? Kakshyataha. It will be?
Dandanayakataha.
Yes. That is equal to dandanayakat. What is dandanayaka?
Police.
Yeah, you can say police. Danda is stick. Nayaka is the one who carries or who has dandanayaka. Or the punisher. Okay. Dandanayaka. Could be the king also. The king also punishes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here gachati is kriya padam. Prati gachati means
returns.
Returns, yeah. Kaha prati gachati, saha prati gachati. Bibyat saha.
Yes.
Bibyat saha dandanayakat prati gachati. Fearing of a police officer, he returns.
Dandanayaka police officer, fine. Okay.
No, some.
Yeah, it's okay. You can
head.
take some Dandanayaka could be a villain also. So anyway, he's a Nayaka.
Dictionary.
Huh?
Magistrate. Magistrate or commanders, yeah.
Yes. It's a Raja. That's it. The one who gives judgment. Policeman also fine. Okay. So,
okay.
Continue.
Next one. Te Rajun.
Yeah. Yes, Parvati.
Sir, Prati Gachati. Prati towards also will be the meaning.
I thought somebody will ask somebody
Balakaha Karyam.
No, that Prati is
Balakaha Griham.
That is Upapada. Here it is Upasarga. Okay. So Saha Ramaha, suppose Ramaha Vanam Prati Gachati means he goes towards a forest. And prati, if it is with the kriya padam, pratigacchati means it returns meaning is there. Prati as an upasarga gives the meaning of the returning back. Pratigacchati, he returns back, comes back. Agacchati. Prati as an upapada governs the place towards where he is going in Ditya Vibhakti. Saha Ramaha vanam prati gacchati. Saha apanikam prati gacchati. He goes towards the market, at the shop. So that prati is upapada vibhakti. I mean, it will govern the place towards where he is going, or the place where he is going, it will govern Ditya Vibhakti. So whether it is upasarga or upapada, that makes difference.
Here, yeah.
Here pratigacchati means he returns back. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
ते रज्जुं बन्धन्तः गायन्ति
बध्नन्तः
बन्धनन्तः बन्ध or बन्ध.
Where is bandh?
बध्नन्तः.
First dakara and then nakara. Yes.
ते रज्जुं बध्नन्तः गायन्ति.
So now, before you do it, what is badhnantah?
It's like tying.
What vibhakti, what purusha?
Prathama
vibhakti, correct. Prathama vibhakti.
No, Prathama vibhakti, then bahuvachanam.
Okay, if it is bahuvachanam, what is ekavachanam?
Oh, badnan.
Yes, tell me, what is it?
Badnan.
Badnantah. Yes, badnantah. Okay.
Yeah,
so what will be the badnan you are saying, right? Badnan is prathama vibhakti ekavachanam, right? What will be the kriya padam now? We are going the reverse order, okay? Latlakara bahuvachanam. Prathama purusha bahuvachanam will be
badnanti.
Badnanti, very good. From badnanti only you get badnan. Now, you know prathama purusha bahuvachanam. What will be the ekavachanam?
Badnati. Bandati. I'm sorry, bandati.
No.
Badnati.
The fifth gana, ninth gana I told. You remember the examples and just stretch the same way.
Badnoti.
Badnati. Okay.
Badnati.
Badnita.
Oh, this is ninth gana. Oh,
yes.
Okay, badnati.
Badnati. Okay, yes.
Okay. Gayanti is kriya padam. Te gayanti. They are singing. Rajum badnantah. That is tying the ropes. Is it correct?
Yes. While tying the rope, they sing.
Okay. They are singing while tying ropes. Rope.
Yes, continue.
नायकाः मित्रस्य कष्टं जानन्तः साहाय्यं कुर्वन्ति.
Okay.
It's missing
okay,
there.
it's a mistake.
Sahayyam kurvanti. Sahayyam kurvanti means help.
Yes.
Help them. Nayakaha, that is leaders. Kashtam janantah. Nayakaha mitrasya sahayam kurvanti.
Mitrasya
kashtam. Mitrasya, friends' difficulties. So mitrasya kashtam janantah nayakaha sahayam kurvanti.
Mitrasya sahayam kurvanti. Mitraya sahayam kurvanti. Suppose if you want to say that. Mitraya, if you are connecting to the kru dhatu, then mitra will become mitraya. Okay. Here mitrasya kashtam. knowing the difficulty of the friends. That's why I'm asking you to arrange the word, rearrange the words, so that they meaningful. Mitrasya kashtam janantaha nayakaha sahayam kurvanti. Okay.
Yeah. Knowing the difficulties of friends, the leader help them out.
Next one.
Sharanji, one question.
Yes.
Should it not be Mitranam?
One friend only, not many.
Okay.
Why Mitra?
One friend.
Knowing the difficulty of a friend.
Right.
Nayakaha. The readers. Help. That's a help.
One friend.
Yeah, only Mitra se kashtam. Vivaksha is Mitra se, only one friend.
Right.
Many people help, that's all. Okay. Yes.
Shishavaha mataram smarantaha rudantaha santi.
Rudantaha santi is equal to Rudanti. Anyway, it is okay. But two Shatrantas are there. You have to see that.
So, shall I take it as Rudanti or?
Yes, Rudanti is same only. Rudantaha santi is equal to Rudanti only. Right?
Rudanti. So, Rudanti is Kriyapadam. Shishavaha Rudanti. Mataram smarantaha Shishavaha Rudanti. While thinking of their mothers or remembering their mothers, the children, babies are crying.
Yes. Shishavaha mataram smaranti. Shishavaha rudanti. We are joining using Shatranta. Mataram smarantaha Shishavaha rudanti iti. Okay. Okay, we can stop here. You can note this number. Next class we'll do 33. Please try the homework, this one. We'll continue from this in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawadaji.
Dhanyawadaji.
Hear me.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.